To navigate QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your account and familiarizing yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your company's financial activity, including income, expenses, and cash flow. The navigation bar is located at the top of the screen and allows you to access various features and tools. The main tabs include Dashboard, Transactions, Invoices, Expenses, and Reports. To manage your transactions, click on the Transactions tab, where you can view and manage all your company's financial transactions, including invoices, payments, and deposits. You can also filter transactions by date, type, and status. The Invoices tab allows you to create and manage invoices, including adding new invoices, editing existing ones, and tracking payments. You can also customize your invoices with your company's logo and branding. To track your expenses, click on the Expenses tab, where you can categorize and record all your company's expenses, including bills, receipts, and bank transactions. You can also set up expense tracking and reporting to help you stay on top of your expenses. The Reports tab provides access to a range of financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. You can customize reports to suit your needs and export them to Excel or other formats. To get the most out of QuickBooks Online, it's essential to set up your company's financial information, including your chart of accounts, tax rates, and payment terms. You can also integrate QuickBooks with other apps and tools, such as payment gateways and accounting software. Best practices for navigating QuickBooks Online include regularly reviewing and reconciling your accounts, tracking your cash flow and expenses, and using the reporting features to make informed financial decisions. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively navigate QuickBooks Online and streamline your company's financial management.